The De La Soul dunks. That's Nike SB.
The sneakers, the culture. Right. You got the artists in here. You know what I mean. So I'm just
that initial, that first impression. You only get one chance to make a first impression.
Exactly.
All right, squad, so we about to go into this local sneaker event that's going on here in the Baltimore area. First time, called Man's Best Friend, put on by my guy Josh at Supreme Sneakers DMV. Make sure y'all check him out on IG. But it's inside here. We're gonna look and see if we can find some deals. Definitely looking for some Jordan 1s. Definitely looking for some dunks. See what's been evading me lately. See what kind of deals we got going on here. Let's check it out. All right, man, so we're looking at these Georgetown dunks right now. Extra clean, got a good price for me. I think these might be the ones I take home. All right, my man, we got a fan. All right, word up. Georgetown dunks in the building. Shine like Kevin.
765 4321.
Come on, let the cow come and get some. The De La Soul dunks. That's Nike SB. All right, so this is Josh with Supreme. One more second. This is. All right, this is Josh with Supreme Sneakers DMV putting on this event. There's a lot of people in here, a lot of vendors, a lot of heat coming out with a pair of dunks. So Josh, what you think of the event, man? What made you bring this on, man?
You know what I mean, just being in the sneaker community, you know what I mean, and did like a sneaker event myself, like as a vendor.
Yeah.
I was just saying, well,
Sneaker
hey,
con, all that kind of stuff.
yeah, like just going, you know what I mean, just kind of like getting immersed and seeing different drops and things like that. I was like, hey, let me just try to kind of start something for this local, you know, DMV area.
That's what's up.
You know what I mean? Put on the street, the sneakers, the culture.
Right.
You got the artists in here, you know what I mean? So I'm just trying to just do things, you know what I mean, locally. To kind of put on. You know?
Awesome, man. Well,
I'm glad you came out.
Yeah,
Hold up. Hold up. Heat check.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, slight work. You know,
yeah, Thanksgiving season, he's rocking the Turdunkins.
Yes, sir. Yeah, concept zone, bro.
Nice. All right, man. Well, good looking. Thanks for the invite, man. Glad I came through.
All right, bro.
Picked up some heat. See you next time.
All right, thanks, bro.
All right, appreciate it, man. All right, Nigel. So that sneaker event put on by my guys at Supreme Sneakers DMV was dope, man. You know, it wasn't humongous like a sneaker con.
Yeah.
They had quality, you know, it was a good space. They had a lot of things there. You know, I really wanted those De La Soul dunks you saw in the video. The De La Soul dunks. But I ended up going with the Georgetown dunks because I just felt like I could get something that was clean and classic.
Yeah.
You know, colorways, easy to wear. So let's look at these real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I was glad I was able to walk up on these at the event because between these and the Panda, you know, the black and white ones, I've been kind of chasing those, and these were like kind of in a close second to me. So as soon as I saw them, they were in my size. I said, all right, let's do it. Let's do that. But then I swear, like 10 minutes later, I saw that the guy also had the De La Soul dunks, and I was like, man.
Jeez.
But I wasn't going to spend all that money because these were, of course, not retail prices.
Could you not refund them?
Nah, I wouldn't do that. Hey, man, let me return these and then get the other shoes. It's like you get one or you get both. But we had other things to do that day. So I went with these. I feel like these are super clean. I can wear them, you know, on a regular basis. Real happy with them. The quality is great. They're
you
great.
You bought them for a resale?
Yeah, they were, you know, retail was about 100, 110.
Yeah.
I paid 190.
Oh, that's
Not terrible, not double the price. I got a good deal talking to the guys over there. That was another, you know, benefit of just dealing with somebody one-on-one, face-to-face. It's like, what's the best you can do, man? You know, that kind of thing.
Good.
And they had actually seen the channel, so they knew, you know, I'm into the sneakers like that. So they were like, all right, for you, you know, it's always for you. I got a deal. If you're just seeing the channel, what should they do, Nigel?
You should go down and ring that notifications bell so you can get the heat when we drop it.
What he said. All right. So that's all. I just wanted to show this as a pickup, you know, from that event. There's a lot. Yeah.
Let me make a few comments.
Yeah.
Number one, it's a very light shoe.
It is.
Very lightweight. Also, I like the colorway. It's very simple, very solid. Got just a little couple colors that color the whole thing. Now, when I smell this shoe,
what are you getting?
nothing.
You're not getting any smell vibes?
There's not a lot of scent to this,
Yeah.
which I am not too proud of.
Like I talked about in a prior episode, you know, when Nike produces these shoes, they air out and they sit out for a long time before they end up on your shelf or in your house, right?
Okay.
So the glue smell kind of goes away, and these were resale, so they've already released. And I don't know how long that guy's had them. So you know the glue smell might dissipate.
You can have your explanations, but it's not smelling too good.
It's not immaculate like usual.
So I'm gonna have to get. Should I rate them?
Rate the shoe.
Because of that, I'm gonna have to give them like a. I don't know. Maybe I'll give them like a 7 out of 10.
Jeez.
7
For the smell.
It might have been an 8, but that smell brought it down a point.
But once you put them on your feet and walk out the door, you never really smelling them again.
But it's all about how it is in original condition.
Okay. That first impression. Because you only get one chance to make a first impression.
Exactly.
That's an old commercial slogan.
From who?
I can't remember. It was in the 80s. If you know who that was that had that commercial slogan, tell us down in the comments.
Yes, please.
What are your thoughts on the Dunk Georgetown low? My rating on the shoe? This is clean, man. I mean, 9 out of 10.
Okay.
There's no frills, no thrills.
Yeah.
Not fancy. No high tech, you know, no collabs. This is just straight up blue collar, you know?
Yeah.
Get the job done.
Yeah.
Everyday wear.
Yeah.
Beaters.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right. That's all I got. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.